Hi, guys. I have a really funny book with me today. This book is called Don't Push the Button. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There is only one rule: don't push the button. It does look pretty nice, though. I wonder what would happen if we pushed it. No, we can't. We mustn't. Psst. No one is looking. You should give the button a little push. Okay. Ah, now I'm yellow. Push it again. Okay. Ah, now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Ah, now there's two of me. Push it a bunch of times. Uh-oh. Shake the book to get rid of the extra Larrys. All right, guys, I need you to jump with me while I shake the book. Ready? Let's just shake, everyone. Let's see what happens if we just shake. Let's see if that works. Almost. A little more. Okay, let's shake the last bit of monsters out of there. Let's get rid of those extra Larrys. Whew. Okay. There we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him to normal. Okay. Let's keep scratching. There he is. Heh, that tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. Okay. The end.